equal employment opportunities, to persuade others to support the federal laws of discrimination in the workplace. When you support the EEO, also known as Equal Employment Opportunity, you support the notion that all people are equal in the workplace. I am sure that everyone wants to be considered equal to any job available. The employer's desire to practice equal opportunity with respect to all guidelines concerning their employees is a law. It is illegal to discriminate any person in the workplace. While doing research, I learned that www.dol.gov states that EEOC, Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, is an independent federal agency that promotes equal opportunity for employment. EEO laws prohibit specific types of job discrimination in workplaces. Equal employment practices are both important for individuals and organizations. My visual aid here. You can see where some of the laws enforced by the EEOC. You have religion, color, sex plus pregnancy, race, and then national origin. There are many legal consequences with violating an anti-discrimination law. There are many benefits for organizations that practice equal employment opportunity laws. However, I feel the greatest benefit is by following the EEO laws. An organization has the advantage to attract qualified and dedicated candidates. After this speech, I hope you will gain knowledge and understanding of EEO laws and the importance of these laws for the public. I will now explain why these laws are important to all individuals and organizations. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, which was created in 1965, enforces laws that make it illegal for an organization to discriminate against a potential employee. An organization cannot discriminate against a person due to race, color, religion, and several other reasons. An organization that has 15 or more employees is held to the EEOC requirements. The EEOC can investigate any reports of discrimination by an organization. If these reports are proven to be justified, the EEOC can attempt to settle the charge. If unable to settle the charge, the EEOC does have the ability to file a lawsuit. This allows the EEOC to protect the rights of individuals and interests of the public. According to an article in the Congressional Digest, the EEOC will enforce laws related to employment discrimination in several areas. These areas include age discrimination, disability discrimination, equal pay, compensation discrimination, genetic information discrimination, harassment, pregnancy discrimination, race, color discrimination, and other origin discrimination. The EEOC is mandated under several acts. These acts include the Civil Rights of 1964, the Age Discrimination and Employment Act of 1967, the Rehabilitation Act of 1973, the American Disabilities Act, ADA, of 1990, and the ADA Amendments Acts of 2008. The EEOC regulations implement the federal workplace of discrimination laws and are found in the Code of Federal Regulations. The EEOC will use the final plan, which was developed on January 21st, 2011, as a guide to determine whether regulations should be expanded, repealed, or modified to make the EEOC program more effective. You can search, view, and comment on proposed regulations from 160 federal departments and agencies through website www.regulation.gov.com. I will now explain the legal ramifications of unequal employment practices. Discrimination includes three types of consequences: fines, litigation costs, and bad publicity are the punishments for a violation of the EEOC law. Fines and penalties are imposed by federal or state agencies in the event of a violation. The EEOC U.S. Department of Labor and Wage Hour Division have the congressional authority to impose fines and penalties. They are endorsed settlements on behalf of employees where there is evidence that discrimination has occurred. In 2008, the Wage and Hour Division recovered more than $185 million in back wages for over 228,000 employees. Now, let us talk about how lost income and revenue can impact a business. Discrimination violations by an organization are negative publicity. There may be decreased sales and revenue as a result of media coverage of violation. Consumers may not want to support a business that has been found guilty of unequal employment practices. To prevent issues with the EEOC, every position available should include a diverse mix of applicants. In conclusion, during my speech, I hope I gave you enough information to understand the strong importance of equal employment opportunity, and now I will summarize why the law is important. While researching the equal employment opportunities, I realized the great importance of this law. Everyone should be treated equal and given the same opportunity as the next person. Discrimination comes in many ways and should not be tolerated in a workplace. The EEOC is responsible for enforcing federal laws that make it illegal to discriminate against a job applicant or an employee. It is also illegal to discriminate against a person due to personal complaint of discrimination. The laws apply to all types of work situations, including hiring, firing, promotions, training, wages, and benefits. Equal employment opportunity is an essential law to have in our workplaces. The EEO provides leadership and guidance to federal agencies on all aspects of federal government's equal opportunity program. They also work to prevent discrimination before it occurs through outreach, education, and technical assistance programs. The EEO law provides us with all the right to be equal for each job, regardless of color, sex, age, and religion. The EEO law protects our federal rights for equal employment. Now I'm going to explain how you can call to file a complaint with the EEO. Right here you have the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. The contact information, it's in Jackson, Mississippi, 601-948-8412. You can file a complaint with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission